Guys, good morning. This is the day of 23 vlog of 30 day series of content creation. I have been talking many weather words and today the weather is so good. I am loving the weather. How do you feel about good morning weather? Please comment me in the comment. చిలకంటే జీవితానికి భయం, పశువులకు వాటిని ఎవరైనా ఏమన్నా చేస్తారో అన్న భయం, ఇంకా చీమలకి ఎవరు ఎత్తుకపోతారో అన్న భయం. Everyone has a fear of death, but the death is peaceful than your life of struggling with you. But we have to reverse and make it peaceful our entire life. That is life. And be what you have and enjoy the present. And think about your future, not worrying about the future. What you say from this. But as my point of view, my energy and inner soul is fresh and like peace. I mean, how much you pray, how much your life is peace, that much happy you will be in your life. అందరికీ చాలా పెద్ద డ్రీమ్స్ ఉంటాయి, కానీ అది ఫుల్ఫిల్ చేయడానికి చాలా కష్టపడాలి. అండ్ నాకైతే మొత్తం దునియా అంతా తిరగదామని ఉంది, కానీ ఏడ తిరగలేకపోతున్నాను. కారణం సిచ్యువేషన్. కానీ మీలో మీ లైఫ్లో ఏదైనా సాధించాలి అంటే బట్ ఇట్ టేక్స్ టైం, చాలా టైం పడుతుంది. బట్ ఫీల్ వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ అండ్ ఎంజాయ్ ద ప్రజెంట్. I am thinking of no matter how much success you get and how many years it takes, but have this smile and have positiveness in your life. Everything comes back. Don't live on anything. Be patient and consistency and hardworking person will always get positive vibe and enjoyable life further in entire life. What do you think of it? If you have any suggestions or advices, or if I talk any wrong to you, please comment me. In life there are more problems and situations, and where how do you relax and what is the simple technique to make and you will take off your stress. Please mention me. I'll talk to my parents and I'll enjoy much things in my life. What are the things you do to relieve your stresses? And I sometimes watch movies as well of Telugu or English, sometimes based upon my mood and time availability. And what you do for your relieve your stresses. I know I'll also eat much more to relieve my stresses, and sometimes I cook as well. Based upon my mood, I do the things. And in your shares, what you do exactly? Please comment me in the comments. మినిట్స్లో ఏదో సాధించేయాలి అని కాదు, కానీ నా జర్నీ 1 year వరకు చేస్తే మానిటైజేషన్ అవుతుందని నా కోరిక, అంతే. కానీ నిన్న మొన్న 10 minutes చేశాను. ఓకే, I will make it 365 days and I will act some more reels on Instagram for better growth of my in few months. I don't know how much time it takes, but I want to never grow up in my life. But I want results and I will work hard for that. And I hope you will support me for that. I want to be make the day more productive and more positiveness in my life. So that I'll make some changes in any field. Maybe I'll make some reels on shorts on Instagram and YouTube. So with this morning advice, I think you will be like this most in my journey. I will be continuing this journey until I get the success. Can we create multiple playlists for on multiple topics? Can it be the channel may grow or not? Please message me. If you are a creator or a big creator, I know it works. చేద్దామన్నా నా కోరికన్నా కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ నాకు చాలా బాగా నచ్చింది. అండ్ జీవితం అంటేనే అప్ అండ్ డౌన్స్ బ్రో. బీ హ్యాపీ విత్ దిస్ మూమెంట్ ఆఫ్ వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ అండ్ బీ హ్యాపీ, మేక్ హ్యాపీ. There are different professions in the world, but in which you are, be happy and spread happiness. This is my wish for everyone and everything. Whom you know, please add them to your best friend and make him surprise of your reels and shorts of some changes in your life will make everyone positiveness. If you act upon it once and you want to master it, and you will be successful in any one of thing of your life, in any field it may be. I want to sleep here, but if you are in this place, what you want to do in the morning, please message me in the chat. Background లో దేవుని సాంగ్స్ వైబ్ చాలా పాజిటివ్నెస్ ఇస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు నా లైఫ్లో. ఈ మార్నింగ్ వాక్స్ ఏమో కానీ వా ఇంత స్వచ్ఛంగా ఉందో నా మనసు అని నాకు అర్థమవుతుంది. బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్లో దేవుడి సాంగ్ వా, ఇంకేం కావాలి బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ సాంగ్ చెప్పండి. నిద్ర వస్తుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్ అని నిద్ర ఆపుకొని బ్లాగ్స్ తీస్తున్నాం. మీరందరూ పడుకుండా వచ్చి దానిలో కదా, ఇలా చెప్పండి. స్టోరీ టెల్లింగ్ అండ్ విజువలైజేషన్ of your journey is most important in content creation. What do you say? Please comment me in the chat. చూడండి మీరు కూడా ఓకేనా, మొఖం ఏం చేస్తారు. ఓకే, మార్నింగ్ వైపు చూడండి. నాకు బాగా నచ్చింది బ్రో ఈ మార్నింగ్ వైపు. అందుకే నేను వదిలిపెట్టాను. ఎంత ఏదైనా సరే మార్నింగ్ రావాలి, వాకింగ్ చేయాలి, ఇదే నా నీష్. అంతే. నేను మాట్లాడతాను వేరే టాపిక్ మీద, కానీ ప్రస్తుతానికైతే ఇదే నా నీష్. సెల్ఫ్ డాక్యుమెంటరీ, ఐ థింక్ సో. మేబీ దట్ ఈస్ ఆఫ్ వన్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ కంటెంట్ క్రియేషన్, పర్సనల్ అండ్ బ్లాగ్. మీరేమంటారో చెప్పండి. షుడ్ ఐ చేంజ్ ద perspective of mine? Please comment in the messages. చాలా తెలుగు సాంగ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి బ్రో, కానీ కాపీరైట్ ఇష్యూస్ వస్తాయని పాడతలేను. దాన్ని ఇన్స్టాలో కొంచెంసేపు అయితే ట్రై చేస్తా సాంగ్స్ పాడడానికి 30 days తర్వాత. చూద్దాం హౌ ఇట్ గోస్. ఇలా బ్రో నా లైఫ్లో నేను నేచర్తో ఎంత హ్యాపీగా ఉంటున్నానో ఈ కొంచెం సేపు అయినా నాకు తెలుస్తుంది. మీరు కూడా ఎవరైనా లైఫ్లో కొంచెం పీస్ఫుల్నెస్ కనబడకపోతే గో ఫర్ ఎ మార్నింగ్ వాక్ beside the nature. You will get some glimpse of positiveness in your life. Wow, it's so happy for me of making morning vlogs with these bird sounds. I am loving this point of life in my journey. What should I start after 30 days? Please comment me and wish me to select. Please message me in the comments. రియల్గా బ్రో చాలా ఏదో చేయాలి అనిపిస్తుంది కానీ ఏం చేయాలో అర్థం కావట్లేదు. కానీ నా వంతు ప్రయత్నం నేను చేస్తూనే ఉంటాను. వాళ్ళ పికాక్ కనబడుతుందని వచ్చినాము పొద్దున్నే, కొంచెం వర్షం పడుతుందని. బట్ hope I'll see one day or other of opening peacock feathers. What do you think of you? Please message me in the chat. వీడియో కాల్స్ చూసి సెషన్స్ అటెండ్ అయ్యి మెసేజ్ మీ ఇన్ ద చాట్ అని నా నోట్లోకి వస్తుంది. You think anybody is going for a walk and I want to be one part of others. I've been said before also. What do you say about this? Do you have any idea of successful career in this world? And give me some pin of success where we can achieve some point of success in our life. Do you have any idea? Love this atmosphere in the morning. If you have the same atmosphere, comment me where you are from. And moreover, I am feeling so excited today because of this weather and some raindrops on me, making me so special in this some. Is this weather is good or bad? May I know in the comments. You have yesterday at night rainfall anywhere? Please comment me. In the entire view, do you know, no one is there among me and between me. Wow, this morning vibe is so wow. Full gaps in my journey, but yes, I have done mistakes, but I am rebuilding myself. I am fixing from 3 days ago. I am doing continuously. If you feel you are liking this vibe and this consistency, please comment me in the chat. First of all, I have no idea what to speak. After coming here, I gave randomly the thoughts and I spoke to camera. That is how it works. You can also do if you are thinking in a positive way and earn a passive income after some years. You can do as well, but I am feeling full of memories. I don't know how much extent is my success is, but I am feeling most and valuable life of this morning vibes. I don't know whom you are and where you are seeing from, but my positiveness in me is always positive. How much hard it is, but I will only focus if the results are coming or not coming. I don't know, but I will make sure some of the morning vibes in my life will have a memorable throughout my life. If you have the same feeling, let's comment me in this chat. I want good oxygen and good life moment apart from these pollution areas. I want some glimpse of positive vibe from trees in the morning, so I started these vlogs. But after coming here, my life has been changed of this perspective of this bird animal sounds of my journey and much more. But it is very hard to know anyone to come outside at the morning and taking off the morning vibe. It is very difficult, but I am passionate about it and I want to explore some kinds of morning vibe. So I am on the way, and many of them cannot do this because of their busy life. I am also busy sometimes. Some days, some years, and all of my life I am busy. I've missed lot of days and years, so I don't want missing my journey. I am getting lot of sleep to make my sleep here, but my passion about, and now I am not going to putting this in between, but this vibe, wow, I love this. Nature attached person is Shiva. Please mention in the comment for now. We catch continuously for more time, our hands get pains, but again what I am going to say. If you know, please comment in the chat or messages or comments. But my journey is full of obstacles, surrounded with a busy work of mine. My journey to be peaceful, and I am one with me. I am alone, but I want to create something which everyone have happiness in their life. That is my poisonous thing at all. And if you want some bit of it, please message me in the comment section. I will be most welcome and thankful to you through my entire journey of this. If you want morning vibes, please subscribe to my channel and please subscribe cheyandi. Everyone has the same path, but if you like some of these morning vibes in my journey, you will be one of the most natured person and you will get some point of positive vibes in your journey. And this is how my journey goes daily in the morning. And please give support for me and share if you have some positive feel about me and yourself. Yeah, this is how makes sense. And see you in the next vlog. And day 24 signing off. And that 23 days of journey, if you feel some relaxation in the day full of day, you should go and relax for some time. You will get the instant sleep and you will not get up in the morning. This is the most technique you have to follow if you want to get up in the morning. This is so difficult, but we have to make it productive. How much hard if you do or make your struggling day of journey, but if you snap for a while, you will not get up in the next morning because It has the mode to make you sleep all the way, and sleep will disturb the entire next day. This is the most important aspect if you want to get up in the morning. And I am my journey. I am liking the vibe most. And if you are want a greater journey, which name you will select, please give me in the comment box. And I don't want to miss my journey of this series, and I don't want to miss the entire journey of morning day vlogs, which I am myself, and I don't want to make any changes, and I don't miss this journey. If you like some bit of it, please like and give a boost to me, and I will see you in the next